Hello there, welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm teaching you how to play Livin Da Vida Loca today. Livin Da Vida Loca, I've got it here. It's by Ricky Martin, and just like that last song I just taught, which was Ace of Base, All That She Wants, that was in C# minor 2. This one's also C# minor. She's into superstitions. Let's do the intro first before we sing. There's C# minor with a little melody. She's into superstitions. So that's that melody. That's it, that's all you need. And then she's into superstition, just stays on C# minor. Black cats and the voodoo dolls, I feel a premonition, that girl's gonna make me fall. And then we've got a bass part. Bom, 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 bom. She's into new sensations, new kicks in the candlelight. She got a new addiction for every day and night. Pre-chorus, make you take your clothes off and go dancing in the rain. F# minor to G# minor. And both of those will work with the 7. Just have a sip of water and carry on. Make you take your clothes off and go dancing in the rain. Now we got to A. She'll make you live her crazy life, but she'll take away your pain. That was B, A to B. And then G#, 7. Like a bullet to your brain, come on. And we're going into a chorus now. The chorus is C# minor. Upside, inside out, living la vida loca. She'll push and pull you down, living la vida loca. Lips are devil red and her skin's the color mocha. She will wear you out, living la vida loca. She's living la vida loca, come on, living la vida loca. Might just sing that twice, but I did it 3 times. But living la vida loca. And then we actually have a solo, I think. Let's open it on the web browser because I think I might have mixed up my screenshots. So, she's in a new sensation. Okay, chorus, and then solo. So we have a something like that, I don't know. You can do your own thing. And we go to another verse. It goes after the solo. Woke up in New York City in a funky cheap hotel. We're just staying on C# again. She took my heart and she took my money. She must have slipped me a sleeping pill. We're going to the pre-chorus. F# minor. She never drinks the water, makes you order French champagne. And A, once you have a taste of her, you'll never be the same. Yeah, she'll make you go insane. I actually played a bit of B7 with a 7. Don't need to, could just be B. Never be the same, never be the same. Yeah, she'll make you go insane. It works anyway. You could put them all as 7. Once you have a taste of her, you'll never be the same. Yeah, she'll make you go insane. And we go into the chorus again. Upside, inside out, living la vida loca. She'll push and pull you down, living la vida loca. Her lips are devil red and her skin's the color mocha. She will wear you out, living la vida loca. Living la vida loca. Living la vida loca. We've got a chorus, another solo, sorry. And we go to the pre-chorus again. Make you take your clothes off and go dancing in the rain. Make you live her crazy life and take away your pain. Take away your pain like a bullet to your brain. And we go to the chorus. Outside, inside, out, living the vida loca, which you've already heard. So I won't do another chorus, but she's living the vida loca, living the vida loca. Come on, living the vida loca. One more time now, living the vida loca. Come on. And that is kind of how you would end it, depending on how you want to end it. It would be your choice. Someone has written here, transpose it down 4 half steps and use a capo to make it a whole lot easier. That's probably true if you are a guitarist, but I wouldn't know. So that was Livin La Vida Loca by Ricky Martin on the piano in C sharp, original key. Wrong chord there, but I wasn't looking. So anyway, as always, if you enjoyed this one, please click like and subscribe to the channel for more. Let me know what other songs you'd like to learn by commenting below, and let me know if this video helped you to master the song. Next up we have something else indeed, something else, maybe by Oasis. I have a whole list of tunes here that I'm learning for this cruise ship job, which I'm really wanting to take. So, lots to do. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one, and bye bye, ta-ta, and ciao for now.